Hello all, I am Dr. Archana Daptardar, consultant nephrologist at Renova Hospital, Kompally. Today we will discuss about the kidney biopsy. When many patients, when they go to the doctor, they are advised about the biopsy of the kidney for certain reasons. And I would like to just give you some highlights about this kidney biopsy. Okay, what is biopsy? Biopsy means taking out of piece from any organ for the histopathological purpose to diagnose any disease which is suspected. So, in case of kidney biopsy, we will be taking a very small piece of kidney for the histopathological examination to diagnose the kidney disorder. So, let us see what are the indications for this kidney biopsy. Whenever a patient has some urine abnormalities like significant leakage of the protein in the urine, if there is some which is called as proteinuria, and there are certain diseases like nephrotic syndrome, nephritic syndrome, where there is abnormal urine formation because of the kidney disease. In the urine we see lot of protein, some blood cells which are normally not excreted in the urine, that is called as hematuria. So hematuria, proteinuria or the urine abnormalities are the indications for the kidney biopsy. As well as I said, nephrotic syndrome, which means very high leakage of the proteins or albumins in the urine, that is more than 3.5 gram per day leakage of the protein, is called as nephrotic syndrome. Nephritic illnesses, it's a wide range of illnesses in this, under which the major abnormality is seen in the urine because of the kidney disease, that is leakage of the blood and leakage of the protein. So these two are the important indications of the kidney biopsy. As well as whenever there is a kidney failure and we don't know about the reason of this, it can be acute kidney disease or it can be chronic kidney disease when we don't know the reason of the kidney disease. Sometimes only blood evaluation, blood investigations, urine investigations or even some special investigations are not enough to confirm our diagnosis. So in this case, we should go ahead with the kidney biopsy to confirm the disease, to diagnose the disease, and the management will be as per the diagnosis of the kidney disease. There is also one more indication like tumor. Some mass is seen in the kidney and then we don't know what kind of tumor it is. That time one biopsy can be taken to know the nature of the cancer or nature of the tumor, whether it is a benign tumor or it is a cancerous growth. Then accordingly the further treatment can be done. So these are some indications of the kidney disease. Thank you so much.